This Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a great book for you. One that doesn't take a whole lot of time to read. A good research book, good reference book, and that is the Ball Blue Book Guide to Preserving. Right? This happens to be last year's issue. Lots of pictures, lots of recipes, and that's what this book is. It's a recipe book on preserving. Mostly water bath, but it tells you a little bit about steam canning, pressure canning, canning fruits without sugar, care food in emergencies, how to thaw, what doesn't freeze very well, how to freeze stuff, meats, fish, poultry, all sorts of stuff. Not the biggest book in the world, doesn't cost very much, and you can get it just about anywhere, but it's a great book to have, on your shelf to look at and to try some of this stuff. So anyway, here you go, the Ball Blue Book Guide to Preserving. Appreciate it. Until next time, you can always sketch online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.